Hey everyone, welcome to this quick unboxing video of this global editions of the Parker Jotter pen. Last time I had a Parker Jotter, I was using it at school and university in the 90s and early 2000s. So it's been a very long time since I've even owned one of these pens, because after that time period I didn't really use them. But as I lived in Australia for many years after leaving the UK, I couldn't resist buying this because Sydney has a very special meaning to me. So I just wanted to quickly give you this review. So this is the box. It comes very nicely packaged. So let's give it a quick open. So I'll move this box out of the way. So that's the pen there. It feels pretty good quality, to be honest. I think it weighs about the same as the Jotters I had in the 90s and the 2000s. So it feels quite nice. It's a good quality metal, and it's got the good Sydney skyline there on the pen. So I'll give it a quick writing test. I'm not a big fan of Parker ballpoints. So let me do a So that's kind of okay. It doesn't have a hard start as most people experience with the Parkers, but I have given it a bit of a try beforehand, so that's probably why. Now, I did want to use this with black ink, and so what I did was I bought this Schneider refill. I don't know whether you can see that. I'm just filming this on my iPhone, so apologies if you can't see it properly. So this is the Schneider Express 735M refill in black. So it's a German refill. I'm just going to refill this now because I won't actually be using the Parker blue cartridge. So I'll put that in there. So let's give that a writing test. So now, to be honest, it doesn't feel too different. I think this Schneider refill feels a little bit smoother, but not by a massive amount. I'd say maybe 10% more smoother than the Parker one. So yeah, it's fine. It's not a gel refill. It really is ballpoint, so it dries. It's pretty much dry as soon as it hits the paper. So that's that. See what else is in the box. Comes with the Parker paperwork, and that is really it. Now, you're probably wondering where I bought it. So I did look on Cult Pens and Amazon UK. So I'll put the links for both below. I paid about £17 for it on Amazon. On Cult Pens is about £30, but I do have a discount code below for new customers. It's a referral code, so feel free to use it if Amazon don't have any more stock. But if they do have stock, yep, nothing wrong with Amazon. It came perfectly packaged, totally sealed. So yeah, either way, go for it. Thanks a lot.